Hey, boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone. How you doing? I wanted to share some cool stuff with you today. Briefly, I am actually at my villa. Well, it's not really my villa, but it's my villa this week in Tuscany with my video marketing mastermind students. And while we are learning cool stuff and doing things under the Tuscan sun, I thought I would share a little snippet of some of the stuff I'm sharing with them here in Italy. So one of the things we're going to be talking about, and I'll go over this real quickly with you guys, is video profits and monetizing your videos. It's a key step. It's actually the seventh step if you have my book, Video Marketing Rules. And basically, one universal truth here is that video accelerates the sales process. It's really as simple as that. So monetizing your videos isn't that difficult if you know what to do. You can do this in a lot of different ways. You can have video information products like video courses. You can do video webinars, either for free with an upsell or for a fee. So you can create a 45-minute or an hour-long video webinar. You can do video product launch, made famous years ago by Jeff Walker. You can have a video content distribution strategy. So that means you can put your video content on Udemy or Teachable or Skillwise or any one of a number of platforms that will share revenue with you when you sell courses. You can also do video events or live webcasts, and you can have video membership sites. So there are a lot of different ways to monetize your videos. One of the easiest is probably to get your videos, your video courses on a platform like Udemy. And then when you sell your course, you share in the income, which is a pretty cool thing. I have some courses up on Udemy. Now, Udemy tends to mark things down and make them on sale and things like that. So you may not get a huge windfall, but you never know. So get your videos out there and get it on Udemy and start making some money with those courses. Again, show me the money. You know what that's from, right? The old Tom Cruise movie, Jerry Maguire. Again, you can do promotional videos to market your products and services. So even though those videos may not be monetized directly, you are promoting your products and services, which will be monetized. You can launch videos to build buzz and excitement for your new products. You can do content marketing videos. You can do live video events, interviews, video summits, which are quite popular right now. You can do videos to drive webinar registrations and events so that you can generate revenue from that. You can also do video landing pages to grow your list, or video sales letters. That's what VSL stands for. And of course, you can even do speaker reels or demos to show off your work or get speaking gigs. So there are a lot of different ways to monetize videos. If you need help creating your videos, maybe you want to do a video every month for 3 months or 6 months or 9 months, you can do that at my new Video of the Month Club. Also comes with coaching and strategy. So not just the videos, but how to use them, where to use them, and the strategy behind it. You can check that out if you're interested at lubortone.com/club. And if you have any questions, you can email me at vip@lubortone.com, and I'll get back to you when I am back in the USA and finished up with our video marketing mastermind in Tuscany. Have a great week, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.